Hey guys, so I got a question from FiddlyPet asking me, man, can you help with a video about lost SIM, how to do a SIM swap? Okay, so if you have a Ring SIM card and you lost your card for any reason because you keep on moving it from phone to phone or router, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is open your browser and log into your Ring account. So I'm gonna sign in. Okay, once you're signed in, go to MyRain, and once you're in your MyRain account, go into your router or whatever it is, go into the manage your account in the middle here. Once you've logged into the middle here, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and that's when you're gonna see two options. You can either cancel your SIM or you can tell them that you lost your SIM, in which case if you click on SIM swap, you're gonna fill in this information according to the information that you have about your SIM card. It's gonna need, please confirm your delivery address where they're gonna drop off the SIM card, of course. And once you've provided this information, just follow the prompt from here and you should be good to be able to swap your SIM card. Alright, so I hope this helped, and see you in the next one. Peace.